Let's check in with KETK meteorologist Andrew Samet. Will the weather cooperate for fair season, Andrew?
Yeah, I think for the most part it will. We had those storms that moved through overnight, and we'll get some small storm chances over the next couple of days, but really nothing to write home about. Here's a look at what we have with the storm reports over the last 24 hours here, and for the most part it was damaging wind reports out in parts of Rusk, Cherokee, Smith counties, also into Wood, Rains County as well. Also a more recent storm report coming in out of the Diboll area just south of Lufkin of some trees down. That's what most of the damage was, trees down. Some of it unfortunately did fall on some houses out in the Jacksonville area, and it did do some property damage as well in Rusk County, rather, just south of Henderson. And then we had some pretty large hail in parts of Henderson County. Anderson County in particular, over by the balloon base, had 2-inch diameter hail, which is about the size of a hen egg out there, which is slightly larger than a golf ball. Now, taking a look at the rainfall totals estimated by radar over the past 2 days here, we have seen a good amount of rain. That is certainly the best news out of all these thunderstorms that moved on through. Radar estimated about 5 inches right at the Henderson and Anderson County line, 4.7 inches north of Palestine, 3.4 inches south of Tyler, 4.9 inches near Lindale, estimated about 2.5 inches in southern portions of Panola County, and nearly 4 inches of rain in parts of Angelina and Trinity counties as well. So that is certainly going to be good news for the drought situation. Temperatures right now, upper 70s and low 80s. We're a lot cooler than this time yesterday, and we should stay below 90 for our day today. Here's what Futurecast has. Futurecast tries to bring in a whole lot of storms heading into the next hour or so, but they just haven't developed, so it looks unlikely that that will be the case. But as we head into the afternoon with that daytime heating, can't rule out some pop-up showers and thunderstorms, primarily in deep East Texas. That will run through your Monday evening hours, and even by 10 o'clock at night, we still may see some lingering showers and thunderstorms out there in deep East Texas. The activity won't be nearly as intense as what we saw last night. 2 a.m. Tuesday, we're seeing dry conditions with mostly to partly cloudy skies out there. We'll see additional showers and thunderstorms developing Tuesday afternoon, primarily focused in deep East Texas, I-20 corridor and north, likely to stay dry by 5 p.m. A few showers and thunderstorms working their way through deep East Texas on Tuesday, and then by 9 p.m. we're drying out. We're dry into Wednesday morning, and then Wednesday afternoon we'll see an additional chance of storms in deep East Texas. Now, the normal high is down to 87 degrees. Fortunately, we are going to be mostly above it over the next 7 days here. We climb into the 90s starting on Wednesday, and we stay in the 90s all the way through the weekend, and it's still going to be a humid 90s as well. So the heat index will still be making it feel even warmer, and Sunday, that's October 1st. And we're still going to have highs in the 90s. Now, it's not unheard of here in East Texas, but of course it gets less and less common to see highs in the 90s the later we get into fall. Temperatures this afternoon again climb to the mid-80s with a few showers and thunderstorms possible. Tonight we'll drop down to the upper 60s. Can't rule out a shower or storm in deep East Texas, but for the most part we are dry after the sun sets. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast now. Again, after Monday, rain chance is pretty limited here. We are going to slowly start to warm up, so it will be pretty warm for the East Texas State Fair. Also kind of humid as well, and that'll be the case as we head into the weekend. For deep East Texas, we will have a chance of a few lingering showers and thunderstorms into Tuesday and Wednesday, but not nearly as widespread rainfall as what we saw last night. Then we turn hot and dry heading into the weekend with those highs well into the 90s by Saturday and Sunday. For your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website,